found a jewelry box for $17 at an auction. Anybody want to know what's in here? I sure do. I could sell the box, double my money, and whatever is in there is just profit. I'll show you what's in here. Jewels. Let's see what's in there. I can't wait to see. So here's my jewelry box. So here I have the jewelry box of goodies. This might look like kind of a weird shot. I'm just going with it today. Okay, so what do we got here? We have some little diamond earrings. I did cheat and I did test these with a Presidium tester. And these are all glass. I thought maybe they would be diamonds. They're in a nice jewelry box. But they were not. Those are... My setup is so janky, if you all knew. So here is a bracelet. That's probably like 80s style. Ooh, this is kind of cool. I did see this in the pictures. I'm kind of wondering though. This is my thought. Now I have really bad allergies, so if you notice that my voice is kind of nasally, it's like that every spring. Here is a really cool, this is a locket. Now to me this almost looks like early 1800s, the locket does, but here's the strange thing. It's almost like it was set in the setting from like the 60s or 70s. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think about that? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not so sure. So to me, they look like two different pieces. Here's a Holly Hobby watch. So this is a vintage watch. I would say this is probably 70s. I don't know what these are. These look like something that... Maybe, are they supposed to be rings? Or like maybe set into something. They kind of look like it's supposed to go to some kind of interchangeable necklace or something. Here's a locket. Beautiful. I'll have to test this for gold because it kind of does look like gold. Let's see here. Well, I can't get that open. Open, 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 open. Anyway, there is a locket. Ooh, this is heavy. Kind of like a gunmetal color. That's a cool piece. Ooh, jewels. This definitely looks straight out of the 70s to me. 60s, 70s, I would say, that era. I don't think the two go together. So here is a chain necklace. This is kind of like a gunmetal color almost. And then there's this pretty pendant. This is gold tone. Now I don't think it's real gold, but it sure does look like gold. And this looks like glass to me. Ooh, that's cute. Oh. Oh, that's just a cute little box, so I'll sell that. So what's in here? Oh. Oh. I wonder if this is real. That could be real. Huh. I wonder if that's a real diamond. Could be. So here's a little heart. It looks like glass. That looks like silver to me, and that could be a diamond. What's this one? that's pretty. Ooh, I really like that. I don't know if you can see that real well. So here is a beautiful pendant. If I can get that focused in. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh, that's pretty. So that could be real too. Here is a little is that a locket? Here's a little locket. And this is a Cameo Locket. Very pretty. This could be gold. I don't know. Well, now I'm wondering. Ooh, that's pretty. And here is a pair of earrings. Really nice. See if you can see that good. Those I would say are probably 1910, 1920. Probably around there. They're screwbacks. Ooh. This looks like it's grease or something, so I'll have to look this up. So this is a little keychain. It's a cute little souvenir, and you could tell by the things on here, and I'll definitely be Google lensing that. Yeah, that's a cute little find. What else is in here? Oh, clip back earrings. Those are Art Deco style. So here are the earrings. Very cute. Oh, a dainty little watch. Watches can be worth some money too. Very nice. So that's a cute old watch. Oh, it's stretchy. That's interesting. Oh, I love going through other people's stuff. Here are some fan earrings. Again, I would say a lot of these are like 60s to 70s. You can tell by the style. Very neat. Here is a gold pin. Now, some of these could also be gold, and it's just a little pin, like a stick pin brooch, and it's got a little heart on it. That's cute. Ow. Okay, here's a little pin brooch, and it doesn't have an end, so I just stuck myself, because, you know. What else is in here? Cute little earrings. These are clip back earrings. Those are fun. Oh, party. Those are fun. Here's some 80s style. 80s style earrings. Here is ooh, that's pretty. There's a necklace, a vintage necklace. And that's gorgeous. I'm sure those are glass beads. But it's definitely got a beautiful chain, like a rope chain. It's got filigree work, rhinestones. That's really pretty. Holly Hobby. I think I had one of these when I was little. So that probably is the 70s. Oh, here's the back. So that could be to that stick pin that I stabbed myself with. Little screwback earrings. Those are cute. Very cute. These are clip earrings. And it's missing a little rhinestone, but those are still really cute. Oh, circa 80s. Let's get our 80s earrings on. Those are cute. Oh, and they're Trifari, so those should sell really well. Very nice. Here is a little charm. So you could wear this as a pendant or on a charm bracelet, and it's a little deer. How cute is that? And then one more little earring. Okay, so that's what's in there. Very, very cool. This is a little bit loose. Ooh, is there anything hiding in there? No secret doors. Okay, All right, I hope you enjoyed my little treasure box. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.